Hi everyone, it's Lily, and welcome back to another quick little tutorial video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to remove the share button on Facebook, and I'll be teaching you two main methods to do it quickly and easily, so let's get started right away. So, what does the Facebook share button do? This enables your friends to share your posts on their timeline, something that their friends can see. Many users somewhat like the share button because it allows them to share their posts with their friends. However, some people prefer privacy and would prefer the share button to be removed. It's frequently used to spread the word about politics or sports, or simply to share hilarious, weird memes and whatnot. So I am just going to go ahead and create a post here. And the very next to the album, this will indicate friends, so set your post to friends only. It shows who can see your post, and then you're selecting friends, so only your friends will be able to see it. They won't be able to share this on their own timeline, and they won't be able to show this post to other users. Tap Done, and post it. The final method to disable the share button on Facebook is to tap on these three lines and then tap on this gear icon to go to your settings and privacy. After this, you'll scroll down and tap on Posts, and then go ahead and select who can see your future posts. Tap Try It Now. It takes you back to the Create Post screen, where you'll press this and select Friends. If this is set to public, that means that any Facebook user can share your post. And that is how you disable the Facebook share button in the Facebook app. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. If you have any other questions, please post them in the comments section below.